everyone, welcome to another episode. We're 2 days after Hurricane Milton in Tampa Bay, Florida. My house garden looks good, but I'm about to head to a community garden and check on it, so come along with me. Well, looks like we'll have to walk from here. Well, this might be the most difficult walkthrough of the garden, if I can make it there. What a disaster. Well, looks like I might have to find another way to get to the garden. This is way too deep for me to walk. Well, here's another entry, but it's also flooded. And nature is taking over. This is a swamp. It's always been there, but now it's leveled with the road. The birds are happy with the expansion of their territories. I gotta get to the garden. Do you know how to get to the garden without getting wet? Well, I guess that's the only way. I'll have to walk on the water. Hopefully there are no alligators here. Okay, let's go. Welcome to Florida. The nature's taken over. A swamp state indeed. Other than the flooding, there's not much damage that I can see, which is good news. Check out this night crawler. That's a happy one. I'll have to keep walking. Might need to find another way. So I might be able to get there through these apartments. Let's see. Yep, that's our trail. Oh, that's a big one. Yep, we're gonna have to bring chainsaws to deal with this damage. And here is our churchyard. Everything's good, thankfully. Well, here it is, the moment of truth. I am kinda scared, to be honest with you, but so far everything looks good. Oh my gosh, look at the banana. This is ready. Beautiful. Raised beds, grapes, trellises, banana. I don't see any damage so far. There's our fig tree. And here is where our gazebo used to be. Jackfruit, leaning a little. Some fallen branches. And nothing major. Oh, one of the jackfruit seems to be broken in half. Let's come closer. Yeah, this guy got damaged during Helene hurricane. But this here is a new damage, and I don't see where or how did this happen. Oh my gosh, he'll be fine. It's just the top. It can regrow. The fruit is almost ready. Wow, what a survivor. 2 hurricanes in a row. Okay, let's keep going. Nice. There's a view from another angle. This could be worse, so I'm not worried about this. It will regrow. The other trees look just fine. Grapes, trellises, everything is intact. Let's look at the passion fruit here. Cherries. A leaning, but they're here. This one got crushed, which is fine because we have another one. It's always good to have extra trees in case you need to replace them. Papaya looks good. Well, I gotta need to do some cleanup here, that's for sure. But thankfully all of these huge trees are still here and none of them got uprooted. Carambola looking good. And flowering. And the jackfruit. And this fruit looks like it's almost ready here. And here is our Saber jaboticaba. Next to it is Sapodilla Silas wood. Yep, here's what we're dealing with here in Florida. These hurricanes are starting to get more intense. And here is our soursop. Sugar apple. Long gone. And composter needs some repairs. Yeah, this one is peanut butter fruit tree. I might be able to prop it up. Guava. Mango is leaning. Wurtz avocado. Nice looking. Cherry of the Rio Grande needs to be propped up. Pomegranate, not too bad. And last but not least, our loquat, Yehuda, looking great. More banana ripening. And here's the view from another angle. Dragon fruit. Look at the flower. This one is yellow. I grew from seed. Well, we're lucky. Milton didn't cause too much trouble. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough and damage assessment of our community garden. Let's keep growing. Let's not get discouraged. As always, until next time.